Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I've always wanted to create content for you guys, how you can use your computers day to day for your tasks at work. So therefore, I will be giving away 3 tips each day on how to do this. So guys, let's get this started. Tip number 1, right clicking while dragging. So right click as if you were using the left click button. So when you move it over to the destination, a new menu will appear, asking you what you want to do, such as move or copy. Tip number 2, text selection. So you might be used to click and drag to select text. This usually selects each character one by one. But if you double click on a text and then start to drag it, it will select each word. If you triple click on the text, it will select the whole paragraph, which makes it easier and faster. Another bonus, if you hold down the Alt button and select the text using the mouse, you can select text vertically. Tip number 3, inside search while using Google Chrome. Go on to Google Chrome in the address bar, type in a website address such as facebook.com. So instead of pressing the enter button, press the tab. This will allow you to do inquiry and do a search within the website. I hope you enjoyed my 3 simple tips. If so, please comment, as I would love to hear your feedback. Thanks again for watching, and please continue to watch my daily tips on how I can save you time. I'm Sakib from PCS. Hate it, love it, we can fix it. Thank you.